Another day, another story. 133 days on the Sun. On August 12, 2022, NASA's Solar Dynamics Observatory, SDO, began a new mission to observe the Sun for 133 days. The goal of the mission was to create a time-lapse video that would show the Sun's activity in unprecedented detail. SDO is a space-based observatory that has been continuously observing the Sun since 2010. The spacecraft is equipped with a variety of instruments that allow it to image the Sun in different wavelengths of light. This allows scientists to study the Sun's atmosphere, magnetic field, and solar flares. For the 133-day mission, SDO focused on imaging the Sun in extreme ultraviolet light. This wavelength of light is invisible to the human eye, but it can be used to see the Sun's corona, which is its outermost layer of atmosphere. The time-lapse video created from SDO's images shows the Sun's corona in stunning detail. The video reveals the Sun's magnetic field lines, which are responsible for solar flares and other solar activity. The video also shows the Sun's rotation, which takes about 27 days to complete. The 133-day mission was a major success. The time-lapse video created from SDO's images provides a never-before-seen view of the Sun's activity. The video is a valuable resource for scientists who study the Sun and its impact on Earth. What can we learn from 133 days on the Sun? The 133-day time-lapse video of the Sun reveals a number of interesting things about our star. Here are a few of the things we can learn from the video. The Sun is constantly active. There are always solar flares and other events happening on the Sun's surface. The Sun's magnetic field is constantly changing. This change in the magnetic field is what causes solar flares and other events. The Sun's corona is much larger than the Sun's surface. The corona extends millions of miles into space. The Sun rotates about once every 27 days. This rotation causes the Sun's magnetic field to twist and change. The 133-day time-lapse video of the Sun is a valuable resource for scientists who study the Sun. The video provides a never-before-seen view of the Sun's activity and helps us to better understand our star. How does the Sun's activity affect Earth? The Sun's activity can have a significant impact on Earth. Solar flares can cause disruptions to communication and power grids. They can also cause auroras, which are colorful light displays in the sky. The Sun's magnetic field can also have an impact on Earth's atmosphere. When the Sun's magnetic field interacts with Earth's magnetic field, it can cause changes in the Earth's atmosphere. These changes can affect the weather and climate. The 133-day time-lapse video of the Sun provides a valuable resource for scientists who study the Sun's impact on Earth. The video helps us to better understand how the Sun's activity can affect our planet. What does the future hold for solar research? The 133-day time-lapse video of the Sun is just a glimpse of what is possible in solar research. With continued advances in technology, scientists will be able to observe the Sun in even greater detail. This will allow us to better understand the Sun's activity and its impact on Earth. In the future, scientists may be able to use solar research to develop new technologies to protect Earth from the Sun's harmful radiation. They may also be able to use solar research to develop new ways to generate energy from the Sun. The future of solar research is bright. With continued advances in technology, scientists will be able to learn more about the Sun and its impact on Earth. This knowledge will help us to protect our planet and develop new technologies to benefit humanity. Thanks for watching.